how to produce in-feed native ads for TikTok. The majority of large brands today use TikTok as an ad platform. And that's natural. Did you know that the total number of its monthly active users is 1.2 billion? That's crazy, huh? Just like that, TikTok has evolved from a team entertainment social network to a powerful marketing tool. Our mobile marketing agency AdQuantum uses TikTok for clients in different app categories. And the overwhelming majority of them gained huge successes with this platform. So, we decided to share our tips and tricks for producing native ads for TikTok campaigns to boost your sales or downloads, if we talk about mobile apps. Let's get started! What are native ads and why do we need to talk about them? Native ads are the ads embedded in the user's feed. This format implies short videos, 5 to 60 seconds. This is definitely the most popular and performing ad format for TikTok. The reason why is that the user doesn't even understand this is an ad they just watched. They perceive it as just another regular post. In terms of metrics, this greatly increases conversions, taps on an ad, and user retention. Characters of native ads are real people, influencers, actors, models, and the focus of these creatives is not centered on the product or its features, but on education, utility, or entertainment. TikTok is unlike any other traffic source because of the audience that you can reach there and the features of the platform itself. Many marketers just copy and paste ad creatives that showed good performance on Facebook or Google Ads, and then they just don't see these good results. That's because it doesn't work like that. For TikTok, you have to use a completely different concept for ad production. We are here to help you out with that. Now we came to the most interesting part, our tips for making the most engaging and performing native ads. 1. Come up with what you are going to show in your native ads. In TikTok, the most efficient ads are those that show the value of a product through a picture of real use. Speaking of mobile app promotion, which our company deals with, the most suitable apps for this traffic source are gaming, health and fitness, food delivery, and dating apps. If you market physical goods, say cosmetics, food, or clothes, you're the lucky one. TikTok is just the perfect ad platform for you. Simply find an interesting and engaging angle, use more trends, create. 2. Stick to the right video structure. TikTok is a platform ruled by Zoomers. In terms of the visual perception speed, they surpassed all previous generations. In the first seconds of the video, they digest information and instantly sweep aside what is unlikely to interest them. Therefore, the key story points in TikTok ads should happen in the first 5 seconds. This way, you'll make users get glued to your ad content. And don't forget that a call to action must appear at the end of every ad. Otherwise, what's the purpose of that? 3. Overlay captions and sounds. Text on TikTok creatives is always important. It's another tool an advertiser can use for communication with their audience. Therefore, an ad creative should look understandable both with and without sound. It would be even better if you either overlay the text directly in TikTok or imitate TikTok's captions in post-production. Also, don't ignore the sound in your ad videos. TikTok allows you to get connected with users through music. Statistics say that 93% of top-performing TikToks use audio. 4. Use TikTok trends. TikTok trends greatly help your ads perform. These are the lip syncs, dance challenges, and pranks that, in most cases, become a magnet for users' attention. However, there is a catch. If you use trends aimlessly, you risk losing your ads performance. The video may be really appealing and engaging, but a potential consumer might not understand why they should use your product or download your app. Formulate your sales message clearly. The emphasis should primarily be on the product's value. And if possible, you can also add recognizable trend elements to your ad. 5. Provide value. It's a crucial thing. Remember to always provide value to TikTok users through your ad content. Always keep in mind that users come to TikTok to either get inspired, get entertained, or get informed. Say you promote a fitness app. When developing ad hypothesis for creatives, Ask yourself, what might be of interest to your target users? How do they get inspired, or entertained, or educated? This way, you'll surely find the right direction. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If so, please give this video a like and subscribe. Also, if you got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Looking forward to see you on the next video. Stay tuned and good luck with your apps!